The wages of breaking God's law is death. And the punishment is hell. See, a lot of people see that this is hell. Oh, hell is going to be a place where there's going to be a lot of hurting. My friends, you're deceived. God says this, hell is a place of weeping and gnashing of teeth. It's a place where the world does not die and the fire is never quenched. That is a place I warn you not to go. My friends, the good news is this. Even though we broke the law, even though we deserve to be punished, we deserve to go out, in God's mercy, in His love, He sent His Son, Jesus Christ, who died for our sins.
Queens Plaza, ladies and gentlemen, this is the last stop in the borough of Queens. Lexington Avenue at 59 people be there. Your attention, ladies and gentlemen, due to weekend track maintenance, there is no e-service at this station. There are shuttle buses upstairs taking you over to Court Square for the G.
Jesus Christ left the throne in heaven. The King of Kings, the Lord of Lords, came down and put on a uniform of flesh. He became a man.
Will be next. Next,